Thank you very much. I, Professor Farouk Adamokuta, who is the Vice Chancellor of the Federal University of Technology, Mina, Niger State, hereby certify that I am the returning officer for 2023 Benue State Governorship election held on 18th day of March 2023. That the election was contested and the candidate received the following votes. Party A 4,263 votes. I repeat, Party A, 4,263 votes. Party AA, 116 votes. Party AA, 223,913 votes. Party PDP, 223,913 votes. Party PRP, 1,178 votes. Party PRP, 1,178 votes. Party SDP, 1,157 votes. Party SDP, 1,157 votes. Party YPP, 312 votes. Party YPP, 312 votes. Party ZLP, 555 votes. Party ZLP, 555 votes. The total valid votes cast is 756,903 votes. Total valid votes, 756,903 votes. Rejected votes in all, 11,499 votes. Rejected votes, 11,499 votes. Total vote cast, 768,402. Total vote cast, 768,402 votes. That Hyacinth Alia of APC, having satisfied the requirements of the law, is hereby declared the winner and is returned elected. Yes, Father. This day, 20th of March, 2023. Thank you very much. Yes, Father. Alia of APC, having satisfied the requirements of the law, is hereby declared the winner and is returned elected. Signed this day, 20th of March, 2023. Thank you very much.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.